Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you don't know me, my name's Neha and I post random videos on YouTube about random stuff that comes in my head and it's really fun. So if you want to see it, stick around. And basically today what we're going to do is, if you've seen my videos before, I love using Mark Hill products, they're like my favourite. So I'm going to review this bad boy. I've used him once before. This is a him. I've used it once before and I actually said I quite liked the outcome of it. So I'm going to do it on camera for a little review for you and then also style it. So we're going to see how that comes out. And yeah, if you want to see how I'm going to transform my hair, stick around. So first things first is I've used a couple of products. So I've used the VO5 Express primer. I've been using this for years. It's literally the easiest thing. All you do is like towel dry hair, spray it on 5 to 6 times, just section your hair as normal and then done that. So I've done that before. I use also some argan oil. I love using argan oil for your hair and I love this one because it's heat protectant as well and it smells amazing. This is really cheap and it's amazing. So yeah, I use that too just for the smell and just for nourishment. So I also use the wave spray from Mark Hill. So I've used this, I've got quite a few Mark Hill products, but I don't use them like in the 1, 2, 3, only because I've got other products and I tend to use what I know and what I've been using for years. So I kind of incorporate his products in between other products I use. So just like me, you don't have to like use all of them. I just use it because it's good. And I do like this wave spray, so I use them all in order. So I'll use this one first, then this one, and then I'll use this one. And again, it's just all on towel dried hair, which is what my hair now. I haven't even brushed my hair, I've just towel dried it and left it. So let's start styling. So what I'll do is I'm only going to do one side on camera and then I'll do the other one off camera. So I'll show you this side because it's easier. The mirror and stuff is just over here. So what I do is I just brush it out a little bit, grab the little thing, separate it, and then I've got my little clip here, so I'll just pin that back, brush it through a bit more, move this one forward, and then this is when I'll grab sections, so I'll just grab my little section here and then brush it out. So just grabbed my little section and then literally what I'll do is I'll put it like this and just wrap it around. My hair is quite long, so sometimes I have to like double loop some of the sections. I wait for like 5 seconds and let it go. And you've got a nice curly. And then I'll carry on doing the same with the rest of my hair. So see, like it's just easier sometimes to do it with my hand, so I'll use that instead. No preference, we just do it. So yeah, has anyone been doing the hair experimentally during lockdown because they know that they can? Because I know I do. If I'm at home and I've got nothing to do, I will do my hair. I don't always apply heat on it because I just think like it's not good for your hair and stuff like that. But lately I've been getting into pin curls and literally all you do is I bought some like pin curls off eBay and then just pin curl my hair and leave it, and then at the end of the day I'll take it out and you've got like lovely hair. If you want a tutorial on how to do pin curls, let me know and I'll do it because it's super easy. And if you've got nowhere to go but you're going out in the evening or something, you can just have them in all day or even during the night, and if a few fall out it doesn't matter. Right, and then the other thing I'll do is I'll just take out the white clip and the couple that I've got here, push them to the back. Just to separate the bit that's not done is I'll just clip that bit from the back, take that to the back, and then I will let go of some more hair. It looks really complicated, but it's really not, honestly. And I'll probably make it more complicated than it has to be by using all the clips and everything like that. But it's the best way, I think. But this is like a semi-review video as well of this product because I've only used it once. But when I did use it, it came out amazing. So let's see if I can recreate what I did before, because sometimes I feel like that my makeup or some, like when I do my hair, like when I do it not on YouTube, it comes out a lot better, and I don't know why, and it drives me insane. Wait for a few more seconds. So just got to the front now, so I'm just gonna do the front. This is how I do it because I like my front to look really, really curly. So these are like proper, like little curls, this one is. I have to say though, like Mark Hill is my favourite for hair products because it's cheap and it's like you can use different ones. Like this, you just need to buy the one and then get the inserts that are different, so it's like you're not even spending that much money, and then most of the time if you get it from Boots it's 3 for 2 anyway, so it's pretty cheap. So I that's for that reason I've been using Mark Hill for ages, and this one bit has lasted me like 5 years or something, and it's still not like, there's still nothing wrong with it, luckily. Just so this video is not too boring for you, I'm going to quickly, like, just so you've got the gist of what I'm going to do now, I'm going to quickly just finish it, and then this side, and then I'll show you this one side once it's done. So this is the difference between the two sides. I've just finished off this side, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this side, and then I'll get back to you afterwards to show you the finished product. Alright guys, so I'm back and I've done all of my hair. So what I like to do now is, if there's any parts that I think are a little bit lacking luster or they're a bit of a straight bit, is that I just like to randomly grab it and just put the curler through it. So obviously with this product, like the longer you leave it, the curlier your hair will get on that stage. So because I want curly hair but I don't want like perm hair, I've left it like maybe not as long, and I've just kind of kept it as it's a little bit like got a wave as opposed to an actual like screw curl. But that's just my personal preference. And then that's what I'm just going to do now. So grab a few bits and just add a few wherever I feel like it's needed. So like here for example, we've got quite a few like straight bits here where I've missed. Right, this is just what I like to do, like you don't have to do it this way. I know it's probably not the most conventional way of doing it, but it works for me. So like this bit's like completely straight. Just push my hair out the way. Obviously try not to burn myself. If you feel me, you've done it loads of times before, I have had great big gaping burns on me from my hair curler. And it's really freaking annoying, and you're thinking, was the curly hair worth it? And then you look in the mirror and you're like, yeah, it was worth it, even though I've got a scar on my body now. Like I had one and it was literally like across my shoulder blade like there, and I swear it literally lasted, must have been about like at least a year. And I was there, and every time I wore something that was like this, or even like this where you could see it, I was like, for God's sake. But then I thought, I looked really good with that curly hair. And then you're thinking, actually it was worth it. Anyway, I'll stop babbling. So what I'll do now is just run my fingers through it. Not overly, like I don't take the curls out, I just kind of like little shimmy. And then either you can leave it like this, which is cute, or I will like flip my hair over. I quite like doing that too, where I'll just like create a little bit of like a side parting, but then I'll neaten it up a bit. And then what I'll do now is just add a few more curls in. So like in the bit where I've just flipped over, this is again 2-part option. You can either have a side part in or a middle part in, and then I'll just add a few more in so that you've kind of got the effect. I won't do too many though. And then I'll just leave it like that. So I will put hairspray in my hair if I'm going out or like something like that, and I'll use the VO5 high volume spray. I've used this for years as well, I absolutely love it. I just spray a little bit like that and then just shake it about. And then I'll do the same on the side, yeah. So this is the final product. I gave you 2 options, so one being the middle part in, one being the side. I kind of go by my mood, how I feel. I'm feeling the side a little bit today. I might change it and just do the middle. Even if it's during the day, you can just change it. Take your brush with you, change it. Like I said before, the Mark Hill products are amazing. Like, they're super cheap, and then most of the time they're on 3 for 2, so you can get this for like what, £15, and then the inserts are like 12, and then if they're 3 for 2 you'll get 1 free anyway. And then what I'll do is when Mark Hill releases like 3 different ones, is that I'll just buy them 3 for 2, and then I've got loads of different options of how to do my hair. So if I'm not feeling like so curly and I just want to wave or something like that, I've got the option for it. So it's really good. That's why I love them. And you don't, like, for example, if you bought GHD stuff, as much as I do rate GHD stuff, it's not like you have to buy like loads of different ones. It's like you can just pull and change as you want, and it's super affordable. So that comes to the end of our video, and I hope you liked the final product. If you did, give me a thumbs up and let me know what you want to see next, and I'll see you in my next one.